I took this out. It was right there. This side was a 18. This side was a 16. You can see where the motor mount brackets broke there, and it broke there too. The broken. The metal piece is broken. This side is missing all the screws, and I just took that bolt that was here out minutes ago. There's one more here. I'm gonna have to remove it. There's a screw there, size 13 metric, hard to turn. I'm just trying. I can't even get a stubby in there. In order to get that out, this side is broke. I need to take that bolt out, nut, and I need to take all those there out. There's a total of 6, and then this, and then there's a nut there. See them there, fucking focus, motherfucker. There you go. And then you got the head over there. You know, here. Either way, regardless, I need to take that whole bracket out because of the broken piece. The frame broke. It broke. This side, I cannot get that screw out. No room, and I might have to do the same thing. Take the whole piece out just to get that screw out. 13-inch screw. 13 metric. I gotta take this out, so this here can come out.